little bit.
A little bit. Where you saw him on the phone?
I saw him like right next to like the church, like near us, the red church.
The red one?
Yeah, I'm taking videos for mom because mom hasn't seen it. Oh my gosh, a lot of people are doing fireworks at the same time. I can't keep up.
Keep up, guys! Do the fireworks!
Oh my gosh, I can't keep
Keep
up.
up the
Everybody's doing it at the
fireworks!
same time. Even people over there are doing it.
Keep up the fireworks!
People are doing it like at the same time.
Woohoo!
Jesus! I can't keep up. People are doing it over there.
Happy New Year!
Jeez. Oh my gosh, it's hard to keep up.
Happy New Year!
Wow.
Happy New Year!
Like everybody's doing it at the same time. I can't keep up. But like at the same time is cool. Where are they doing it?
Do
Oh,
the fireworks!
bro, are there a baby crying right now? We're like, this is like amazing, and then there's a baby crying. Oh, there's something over there. Wait, where was that? Oh, I love the one that's like has like a lot, like 1,000.
Oh, Happy New Year!
I can't keep up. That's why I'm not growing up as a cameraman.
Happy New Year!
Wow, that was cool. After this, I'm definitely showing a lot of people. Bro,
Happy New Year!
a lot of people are doing it at the same time. I don't know which one to do.
Me too. I don't know which one to do.
There's like a lot of people doing it over there, so you guys can see. There's a lot of people doing it over here. People doing it over here. I can't keep up.
Alright, let's go.
I know for a fact they're doing a lot.
We're just gonna go to the bathroom and come back, okay?
Bro, they're literally doing it at the same time. How am I supposed to take a video of this? Oh my gosh, they did a lot.
You know what? How many?
I don't know, I couldn't keep count, but they were doing it at the same time. Over here, over here, over here, over here. Like, bruh, I can't
A million.
that. So I was just like this. Bow, 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 bow. Like, what? All I hear is like big thundering sounds. And then like,
Do the same fire you did with Jessica.
wow, that was cool.
No.
I'm not leaving until they're done. Well, they're not gonna do it that long, so.
do over there.
Oh, oh my god.
And there's an airplane right there.
I like a lot of that.
And there's the people inside there. Like Michael and Abraham. I think tomorrow they're gonna come back.
Oh. Bro, someone almost got stung by a fire. I heard that, but
I didn't got stung by fire.
yeah, because we're not doing it. We're literally watching the people that are doing it.
You're watching the people who's doing it.
But I can't keep count. Ah! There's like bug.
There's no bug. I don't really care about them. It's not bad.
I want to stay out here, but there's so many bugs.
I'm gonna stay out here for 24 hours. Happy New Year!
I can't keep up.
I can't keep up. There's like red in the sky.
Hold on. Trying to stand up higher.
It's like red in the sky. I'm gonna go there.
That's too high.
You're gonna go there. I'm standing on this chair. You're still on this chair. Woo. They're doing a lot of fireworks because it's the last day of fireworks. I don't really care.
I told you don't stand
I
up.
don't really care.
Okay, don't stand up anymore.
You don't stand.
Because I can't.
I don't really care. I don't really care. I don't care. I broke my ankle.
Gosh, I don't want you to get hurt in the most fun day.
I don't really care.
Well, you're not gonna stand up anymore, okay? I'm just. And it's so red in the sky. Bro, today is like July 4th. This is like this is like the most fireworks in a day.
World. Got like a
They
million
did like
fireworks.
some yesterday, but like today they're going all out.
They're hitting with their fireworks in their house. Literally got a million of them. Million.
Bro, because I'm literally going like this, I'm literally about to fall off and faint.
I'm wanting to fall over. Woo! This is the best. I don't know which one to do.
I know, same. They're literally doing it at the same time.
I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I
Me
don't got.
either.
I don't got one.
They're literally mostly on this side, but like not as much.
I don't got 7 eyes. I only got 2.
Yes, it's like hard. And like two eyes have to like look at the same direction. It looks like there's like a fire, but there's no fire.
There's no fire. It's just fireworks. And there's fireworks. This is so fun. I don't know what to look at.
Same.
They're doing it at the same time. Dude. I want to do one out of time. You know what I have to do, Jessica? You know what I have to do? Jessica,
Go tell Mom to come with us outside. Mama.
Mama, die mag naar boven. Als je hoe en de fireworks get here. Get your fireworks. Die boven.
أنا في برا أنا عم فرحت
عشان أنا شو.
Tell Mom to close the light.
Why?
Because I don't like the light.
Mama! Mama! That's the guy that in the afternoon who took the hello off. Borrow. Afternoon. Where is she? She said.
Mommy, Digi man the borrow.
You have to go right past the door. I'm about to hold the camera.
No, I don't want to hold the camera. I know. Mommy.
My ear! I'm almost coming deaf in this video.
Mom.
I'm almost coming deaf.
Go inside and tell Mom to come in. I'm doing a video so you can still see it if you miss out.
Mom's mad.
What?
Mom's gonna see after you're done making the video, okay? Right, Jessica? Mom's gonna see it after you're done making the video.
I want her to experience this with us. It's not going to be fun without her.
Yes. Mom wanna see the video.
Yes, but it's not the same like in real life. I don't want her to miss out.
You know how to watch the video.
Yes, but it's not the same.
Mama.
What?
Mom's gonna drink her Stella and then she's gonna come, okay?
Okay.
Mom's gonna drink her Stella and then come. I don't know which one to see, man. I don't know which one to see. This is the best game ever. I never went outside so fun, Jesus. They will.
I mean, he's literally watching, so he has like some... Why is this scaring me? It's supposed to be cool.
It's cool. It is cool.
Yeah, it is, but like...
It's scary. That's not one. Woo!
Tell Mom if she's done.
What?
Tell Mom if she's done because she's taking a long time.
Mama, you know how to do that one? Mom says she's almost done.
Okay.
You want me to sit? Woo! That was better than last one. That was better than last one. It's better than last one. Every single fire is better. Better. I'm doing a lot because it's the last day of fire.
Yeah.
Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Come on, keep going.
Mom, it's easy butter off.
Mama, you know, I can choose that.
انا مش هينفع اقعد يا جيسيكا.
ليه؟
ها؟
ليه؟
عشان ريحة الدخانة دي انا كنت بتتعب نفسي بيتضايق.
She's gonna get sick.
شوف الريحة اللي طالعة منه.
يا بس مش وحش قوي كده.
It's better than last time. Mama, in every
مش عشان الكرسي كنت نرفي الدخانة وانا معايا الكرسي. أنا بس متضايقة. دي حلوة يا جيسيكا اللي
Yeah. هنعمله فيديو.
getting death. I'm almost getting death. Almost getting death. One, I'm gonna be dead. I got no ears, I'm dead.
You're using a lot today because today is the last day.
Yeah, and then how do I turn next week? have my Pocky. And I have my Emma.
I'm kind of getting scared
I'm not.
because of bugs everywhere.
No bugs. I'm not seeing a bug. I feel like
I'm
I'm
seeing a
seeing
lot of bugs.
What?
I'm seeing a lot of bugs.
See a million?
I don't know, but I see a lot.
Say 1 billion? Say 1 trillion? 1 million, 1 billion, 1 trillion. Trillion is a number. Is millions a number? Do fire so loud. A million is a number. A million is a number. You think billion is a number? You make it loud. Billion is not a number. You think 1,000 is a number? Make it loud. I'm talking to Dad.
I know.
I'm holding that.
No, I just know because I heard her.
You think 1 is a number and do it so loud? Anybody under Earth. Hi, friends. I'm sorry. I'm not throwing the basketball anymore. I'm sitting. Laying down. Get off. My sister don't want to get off. She's right behind me. She's on my chair. She's standing up on my chair. She's on the chair. And she's on the top because she listens to the Jessica Silly World. And subscribe to her. So now shall get the Silent World Among Us game. You know Silent World makes so loud. You know Silent World! Ooh, it looks like it's coming! I know. It's just